Many people understand English. They know some words, they watch English videos every day. But when someone says, "Hello, how are you?" their mind goes blank. They do not know what to say. If this happens to you, don't worry. Today, we are going to practice together. You do not need perfect English. You only need to speak. Welcome to Talk English Lab.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Very nice. That's a great answer. And everyone watching, you can say it too. I am fine, thank you.
Sometimes I know the answer, but I feel nervous.
That's very normal. Many English learners feel nervous. The important thing is to speak anyway. Every time you speak, you become stronger.
I hope so.
You will. Now, Jack, imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name Jack.
Good try.
My name is Jack.
Perfect. Everyone watching, say it with Jack. My name is Jack.
My name is Jack.
Excellent. Now let's continue. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you too.
Great. That's a very common conversation in English. Let's try it again.
Okay.
Hello. My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wonderful. See? That was easy.
It feels easier the second time.
Exactly. Repetition helps. The more you practice, the more natural English feels.
Sometimes I don't understand what people say.
That's okay. You can ask them to repeat.
How?
You can say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Can you repeat that, please?
Perfect. Or you can say, "Sorry, I didn't understand."
Sorry, I didn't understand.
For example, "How are you?"
Oh, yes. People ask that a lot.
They do. So, Jack, how are you today?
I am good.
That's common, and many people say it. But a more natural answer is, "I am doing well."
I am doing well.
Great.
I am doing well today.
Excellent.
And what if I feel tired?
Then you can say, "I am a little tired."
I am a little tired.
Good. What if you are happy?
I am happy.
Perfect.
What if I am excited?
Then say, "I am excited."
I am excited.
Wonderful. English does not need to be complicated. Simple sentences work very well.
That makes me feel better.
Good, because confidence is important. Many learners wait until their English is perfect.
Yes, I do that sometimes.
But perfect English is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
Of course, mistakes are part of learning. Every English speaker made mistakes when they were learning.
Even fluent speakers?
Yes, everyone starts somewhere.
That's encouraging.
Good. Now let's imagine another situation. You meet a new classmate.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Hi. My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Great. How are you today?
I am doing well.
Excellent.
That conversation feels real.
Because it is real. These are conversations people have every day. That conversation feels real.
Because it is real. These are conversations people have every day.
Exactly. And that's why we're practicing them. You don't need difficult words. You need useful words.
I like that.
Good. Now let's continue our conversation. Jack, what do you do?
I student.
Nice try. We say, "I am a student."
I am a student.
Perfect. Everyone listening, answer this question for yourself. Are you a student? Are you a teacher? Are you an engineer? Are you a shop owner? Say your answer out loud.
Sometimes speaking out loud feels strange.
At first, yes, but speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve.
Why?
Because English is a skill. You learn it by using it.
That makes sense.
Let's practice a little more. Jack, tell me about yourself.
My name is Jack. I am from Bangladesh. I am a student.
Excellent. That's a very good introduction.
Really?
Yes, short and clear. That's perfect for beginners.
Sometimes I think my English is too simple.
Simple English is powerful. Many fluent speakers use simple English every day.
I never thought about that.
Now, let's make your introduction a little longer. Tell me one thing you like.
I like football.
Great.
My name is Jack. I am from Bangladesh. I am a student. I like football.
Wonderful.
That sounds better.
It does. And everyone watching can do the same thing.
So they can say their name, country, job, and something they like?
Exactly.
That's easy to remember.
Let's try another common situation.
Okay.
Imagine you are at a new job.
Sounds scary.
A little, but you can do it. A new coworker comes to you and says, "Hello."
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Great. How long have you worked here?
Oh, no, that's difficult.
That's okay. You can simply say, "This is my first day."
This is my first day.
Excellent.
I think I can remember that.
Good. Now let's talk about another common greeting.
Okay.
Instead of saying hello, people often say hi.
That's true.
They may also say hey.
Is hey okay?
Yes, it is friendly and casual.
Yes.
So I can say, hey, how are you?
Absolutely.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing well too.
Excellent.
That feels natural.
Because people really speak like that.
Sometimes movies use very fast English.
They do, but everyday conversations are often simple.
That's good news.
Very good news.
Emma, what should I do if I forget a word?
Great question. Don't stop speaking.
Really?
Yes, use other simple words.
Can-
Communication is more important than perfection.
I think many learners need to hear that.
I agree.
Sometimes I stop speaking because I'm afraid of mistakes.
Many learners do that, but mistakes help you learn.
So mistakes are not the enemy?
Not at all.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Now, let's practice listening and speaking together.
I'm ready.
I will ask a question.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
How are you today?
I am doing well.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like?
I like football.
Excellent.
That was fun.
Great. Now, everyone watching, answer those same questions out loud.
Don't just think the answers,
Exactly. Say them.
even if nobody is around.
Yes, your voice needs practice.
That's true.
Let's meet another imaginary person.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like?
I like football.
Wonderful.
I feel more confident now.
That's what practice does.
At the beginning, I was nervous.
And now?
Better.
Excellent.
Not perfect, but better.
That's exactly what we want. Better every day.
Not perfect overnight.
Right.
Emma, can I ask something?
Of course.
How long should people practice English every day?
Even 10 or 15 minutes can help if you practice consistently.
Really?
Yes, small daily practice is powerful.
That's encouraging.
Learning English is like exercising.
One day is not enough.
Exactly, but a little every day creates big results.
I like that idea.
Good, because this is day 1.
We have many days ahead.
Yes, we do.
What should viewers remember from today?
Remember these simple sentences.
Okay.
My name is.
My name is Jack.
I am from.
I am from Bangladesh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I am doing well.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Wonderful.
Those are useful sentences.
Very useful. You can use them in real life.
That's exciting.
It is. And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
Speak even when you're nervous.
Yes,
Practice every day.
absolutely.
And keep going.
That's right.
So, what's today's challenge?
Very simple. Introduce yourself in English.
Just a few sentences?
Yes. Say your name, say where you're from, say what you do, say one thing you like.
That sounds easy.
It is, but make sure you say it out loud.
Not only in your head.
Exactly.
I think everyone can do that.
I think so too.
I'm excited for tomorrow.
Me too.
What will we practice next?
Tomorrow, we'll continue building your speaking confidence with more simple daily conversations.
Sounds great.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you, everyone.
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
And remember,
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep speaking English every day.